The mistake I made was coming out and thinking, I've got to record a video. Oh, and I haven't had anything ready. Or, oh, man. Right, I'm doing a mistake. Wayne is, I think he's having a pee. He's had his steak already. Mine is going to be burnt. And I'm blinding your face. Now I'm blinding my face. Right, I've done my steak. It's in there. Can't see, smoke everywhere. It's going to be lush. I'm quietly confident. Just going to whack it on my plate and eat it. I'm not one of them for, is it cooked proper, is it not? Because as long as it's touched a pan, that's enough for me. Right, I'm going to have to come back after I've eaten this. And I think I'll set the camera up in a more organised position. That's my friend, that's my chef language. Right. Yeah, I'll come back afterwards and tell you how the steak was. Right. These two lights. This is Hazard Outdoors, and this is Darren, who I walked with
not
before.
Darren. It's Wayne.
Why? Well, you'll be Darren for this video. All right, Wayne. What else can I call you?
Vesvega.
Huh?
Vesvega.
Vesvega.
That's my handle.
Is that catchy? It was Viking something, wasn't it?
Nordic Viking.
Yeah.
Lone Viking. That'll do.
Kroll. Right. I'm eating. You can hear by the crunch.
Chips.
Ice cream.
Chips.
And blueberry. What kind of ice cream was it?
Vanilla ice cream.
Vanilla ice cream.
Freeze-dried.
Freeze-dried. With freeze-dried blueberries. You can hear. And that's the ice cream. This is so weird. I'd like to say that... I don't know. I can't say they're not nice. They are nice. They're just weird.
They're like, you know the cereals? The puffs.
Yeah.
But there are blueberry puffs and you've got ice cream puffs.
Yeah, I'd go along with that. Don't know how they've done it, but apparently it comes from space. I don't know if they shipped it down here specifically.
No, that's okay.
But I got tins.
Super Garden.
Yeah.
No plug there.
What's it? Soup Garden?
Yeah, but these are just Super Garden. You can get them
Oh,
anywhere.
Super Garden. Yeah. I'll try and put a picture of them in daylight.
Same, but vanilla ice cream.
That is weird. Because that's why Wayne brought him, I think, because he needed something lightweight. Because the rest of his bag was not. I think he had a small child in there somewhere.
I did.
No.
I think he escaped on way down there.
I put this half lavvu up single-handed. Yeah, I kind of wish I pitched my half, which is over there and facing not the other way, but half the other way. Kind of wish I'd pitched it the same way as this one, because I think I might get a little bit of rain blowing overnight. Because it's it already has, hasn't it?
Yeah.
And we had a little bit of a downpour.
Not downpour.
You up north call it spitting. You also call Haysborough Happysburg.
Yeah, Happysburg is a nice place. Really nice place.
Yeah. Yeah. That's the one with the
Lighthouse.
red and white striped lighthouse as opposed to the white and red one, isn't it?
It's red and white.
I've been busy and my main object was not filming tonight. No, I said I'd film just because I have to get something for channel, don't I? For all my subs. My millions of subs that I got. Mind you, I was nearly at 500. But stop smirking. That's a big amount for me. Considering I didn't exactly start this as a business. Now I've got 500 people watching my channel for no apparent reason.
Maybe they like comedy.
Well, then they've tuned in at the wrong channel.
You just want to see somebody worse off than they are.
Yeah, maybe that's it. It's like the Jeremy Kyle effect. That's what I used to watch Jeremy Kyle for. I got wiggle room before my life is really shit.
You've got no Graham.
Graham was awesome. Right, got my mic. It's Mike. That's Wayne. That's mine.
It was for wear.
He's had a good night. Yeah, both slept really well. I slept really well. Wayne, maybe not so much. Oh, I feel bad for him, really. So yeah, I had my sleep system, which was like 2 sleep mats, 2 sleeping bags, and a pillow. And Wayne had a mat of sorts. Yeah, a bit of paper on the floor, and a jungle bag. What kind of bag is that? No, not the jungle bag. What's no
it's just a cover. It's a waterproof cover.
No, the sleeping thingy underneath.
Oh, it's a German.
Pad.
It's a German fold mat.
German fold mat.
German army fold mat.
See, Germans. I mean, it's small.
Why you don't see Germans while camping.
It's really small. It is really small, but fucking hell, man! Look. So we had quite a heavy deluge of rain, which wasn't forecast. About 4:45, and the lavvus have, as always, have held up famously. Didn't let anything in. They're actually even dried out enough to take home now. Lovely. So I won't need to dry them out separately when I get there. But now we've got to get breakfast sorted. So I'll bring you back once we're on to breakfast. Right, told you I'll bring you back for breakfast. Wayne's got his, and I got mine. There you go, cracking. Right, I'm going to crack into this. I'll see you next camp, which is next week, and it'll be with all the boys. Boys camp special. See you later.